Otho e masira mar sienyruok mar kar kunyo mula moro manie gweng' ma Oboche sub-county mar Rarieda. Jalup Commissioner mar Rarieda Kennedy Runalo oyango ni ji mamoko 8 oyudo hinyruok e masirano manotimore okinyi ma kawuono. Masirano bende oyangi gi komanda mar obila ma Siaya Cleti Kimayo.
You know, they normally scoop that sand out and then the soil collapsed on them. You know, they were deep in the trench, so it collapsed on them. 7 died on the spot, 8 were rescued and taken to hospital. Yeah, that is it. And it is not very far from the place where we also lost a person, 2 persons some time back. It is not far from that venue. We have already gone to the ground and we have told them that those mines are dangerous. And in fact, this is not the first time. There was a directive that following the heavy rains that poured, the soils were loose. So we did sensitization meetings directing them to cease those operations until when they are advised to continue by the geology department. We have talked to them, we have directed and cautioned them to vacate the site and cease operations.